another paper on top of this. Okay, now you can see the figure here, right? So what I do is I will flesh out the figure first so that it looks little normal. It will not look like a technical figure now. So I just go around this, and let's come to the shoulder. To the hand. Let's give a shape to the body. So what we do here is we come like this to your bust line and go like this, and then go to the hands. Then you come down the shoulder. You don't need to focus on drawing up the hand and everything, okay? You shape your waist, and then you get this point right here. You go like this now. You're not drawing straight anymore, okay? Come down to your thighs. Here you're drawing your calf. And this would be your here. So here comes your flesh out figure. Now, in case you want to draw a corset, you will draw like this, the line here, and you will draw your corset. So this becomes your flesh out figure. You can even draw eyes, just one. You can draw your lips. That's it. Okay, now we are done with this. Now we also can draw what is called as flats. Flats are nothing but, these are called as flats. Flats are nothing but, it's a 2D technical drawing which illustrates a garment with basic solid lines. Okay, it's like a blueprint of your fashion design. Now they are called fashion flats. These days most technical sketches are done in a computer program and they are sent to the sample room. So using the same mechanical figure, what we can do is we use the same impression again and we will draw a dress. Now coming to your flats, you can see your shoulder line here, right? So you draw the shoulder line and let's do a round neck. Fine, then you have your sleeves here. You have your arms that you can see, and then you have your coming up to the waistline. Now you can see your hips and you have your knee. Where is knee? Number 6, this is your knee. So over here, this is the knee length shift dress. So we'll draw a line here, then come to the waist level, and then you can just join this line. Come to the waist level and then just join this line. I will also draw a peplum here. Fine. At the waist level, we'll put dots. Then we'll also give her sleeves. You got her hands here, head, and then you got her legs here. So this becomes your flat drawing or your flat sketch. You can do anything now. You can have pockets here, whatever. You can be creative, right? So now we are done with the mechanical figure. From mechanical figure, we went on to do a flat flesh out figure, and then we did what is called as a flat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I'm coming up with my next video. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye.